at 21 and 10 at 22. You can't walk a mile up in my shoe. I ain't nothing like you. You can't walk a mile up in my shoe. You don't do what I do. I'm the living truth, the living proof. You could be whatever. Never wanted fame.
Yo, what's up guys? In today's vid, we went to San Pedro. I filmed a little bit but not much of it, but then after, the owner of Starline, Tito, hit us up and asked us if we want to do a shoot with him. So then we had to go from San Pedro all the way to the spot to film, and then we went, and then everything you see after this is us filming.
Do like slide-ins and stoppies. Alright, so we do like slide-ins.
Tito, or just number?
Alright, extra large bone hoodies.
Very Tito, because you know my time is ticking.
Alright. You don't have it. That's what I'm saying. You don't have that one. Alright. So medium?
Medium. Yeah, medium.
Then I got. Wait, no. Can I put the brand? Alright.
I'm not moving it. You can put your backpack there until we leave.
And I got another medium.
Right here.
Oh, Boo's already wearing that. I'm gonna be right here. And then I'm gonna move. They're gonna come in. Yes. Just come. Oh, they're gonna come. They're gonna come.
The hoodies are bigger, right? Yeah, the hoodies are bigger. I'll do one for every call. Right here, you can report me right here, and then you can see them coming in. Hey, no feelings, because I don't want to get bad.
I bet.
No wheelie. I do need to do that.
Yo, Starline Santa! Bro, take that helmet off!
You gotta do a wheelie!
Bro, do a wheelie!
Hold that shit up! Okay, good. Who messed up the last row? Is that you?
That was Marco.
It's Marco!
You should have just
Poquito. Also, what are you doing?
Yo, is that Starline Santa? Do a wheelie! Do a wheelie!
Wheelie?
Yeah, right now. Let me see one.
I don't want to embarrass you guys.
Bro, it was so much fun. He gave us these shirts, bro, it was crazy. I'll put up the video right now.
Oh, you're gonna show us. You gotta do Willie. Really? Yeah, right now. Let me see.
I'm done with, I could have had some fire drip like that.
And then I gotta get some clips with this shirt, so I gotta do that too. This bike is so much fun, especially with the VTV, bro. It's crazy. In 4 days, it's Christmas. 3 for you guys, because I'm posting this tomorrow. Bro, can't wait. Next week's video, it's gonna have insane quality. Trust. Insane mic. Bro, it's gonna be so fun. So now, I'm gonna key you guys into me riding a 2025 LBX. Let's go. Ready? Yo, what's up, guys? Just got a 2025 Light B. Holy. No, I'm just kidding, but I'm on a 2025 Light B right now. It's my friend's. I put the Magura on it for him. Bro. Professional installation. But watch. Let me key you guys to the phone. The 2025 Light B right here, bro. So much power. Let me know if you guys think I should trade my Light B for a 2025. Watch, I'll show you guys riding right now. Got the MT5 professionally mounted. Some people just leave it through the frame or on the side of the frame. I'm like fully through the frame. It feels super good. Even put a headlight switch on it. But yeah, bro, I think they're like 8 kilowatts, bro. It's crazy. All right, let's go for a ride. So should I get a 2025 Light Beam and then same blue on the 2025, keep my supermotos, and that would be pretty much it, or put a new controller on the Light Beam? Holy. Bro, it leans so hard, but holy, bro. Bro, I just popped at like 40. Slow down a little. What the? Bro. No way. Eco, bro. This thing pops at 20, like 25 in eco. Go 25? 25 in eco, bro. No way. Low key. Might get a 2025. Bro, this is eco. Yeah. Bro, I don't even think you could safely push this many kilowatts. And this has a 40 amp hour battery. So it'll be more range and stuff. But then I'll be having to start a completely new build. I mean, at least everything I did to it works. Thank you all for watching the vid. And stay tuned. Peace out.
Yeah, it ain't nothing new. I'm trying to make an M at 21 and 10 at 22. You can't walk a mile up in my shoe. I ain't nothing